Hello, friends. We are all upset listening from the news which has come out from Nagaland, where 13 of our Naga brothers were brutally gunned down by the military forces. And I know that we are emotional, we are upset, but there is something else that the whole of Northeast should stand for. A law on the 11th of September 1958 was enacted, which is our 9/11, frankly, called AFSPA. AFSPA has failed miserably in the last 63 years. It has done nothing but further alienate the people of Northeast, whether it's Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Arunachal, Assam, everywhere. I mean, we've felt a sense of alienation. Women have been raped, people have been killed in judicial investigations. There's been a lot of fingers raised towards everyone, and this has led to a lot of misunderstanding and insecurity between the mainland and the Northeast. I appeal to the government of India. We are also a part of the country which you lead. Do not be arrogant. Do not be stubborn. Please listen to our voices. Please repeal AFSPA. You have repealed the farmers' bill because of constant pressure of the farmers on the borders of Delhi. You have not repealed CAA because we do not have the power or the perseverance to reach Delhi to make you uncomfortable, or we don't even have the seats in the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. And now, AFSPA, where 13 of our Naga brothers and sisters have been killed or many times assaulted, molested, not only in Nagaland, but everywhere in the Northeast. The government of India should have a heart and think about the people of Northeast. We are an integral part of the country, not a strategic part. So I appeal to the government of India. The time has come for you to reconsider and repeal AFSPA and also repeal Citizenship Amendment Act, an act which further alienates us from the mainstream. I would just appeal to the government that please listen to our voices. We are talking to you through social media, we are talking to you through democratic forums. This is the genuine concern and voice of the people of the Northeast. Once again, my deepest condolences to the families who have lost their family members in the brutal massacre, and I hope that you will find justice in due course. Belaino Hambai, Dhanyawad, thank you.